Welcome everybody, I'm Derek Smith and this is Pop-Up Camper Pro. In this video we're going to go over should you cover your camper, how to choose the correct size, and how to install it. So most people's first question is, should I even cover my camper? In most instances, yes. RV covers do a great job of keeping the sun and the elements off of your camper. So if you're in an area that experiences seasons and moderate summers, RV covers are a great solution. If you're in an area that you experience extreme summers, a garage or carport might be a better solution. If you choose to cover, use only a high quality, breathable RV cover. We of course have them available and offer today's best solutions. Links are below. Camper covers are designed to cover the box and the storage box if so equipped. To find your correct size, measure from the rear of the camper to the front body panel. Let's go ahead and install some covers and go over some more tips that's going to make you a pro. First, measure the camper's body. This camper measures almost 17 feet, so 16 to 18 foot cover is the correct size. Covers commonly come with a storage bag, patch kits, and warranty information. Next, look over the camper for any sharp edges. This camper will get some foam on the crossbar ends. Now unroll your cover and start installing it at the rear of the RV. We will now install the foam protectors on the crossbars. Now bring down the sides and attach your straps. After all the straps are on, cinch them up. Be sure to periodically check your camper and keep the straps snug. To include the front deck, measure as shown. To cover just the box, the ramps need to be removed. At 17 feet, this unit will take a 16 to 18 foot cover. Look over the camper for any sharp edges and protect them. We'll use cardboard corners for the ramps and edge trim for the metal. Starting at the rear, pull the cover over the unit. Install your straps, then snug them up. At 10.5 feet, a 10 to 12 foot cover will be the correct size. Look for sharp edges and protect them. Now install the cover. On this unit, we're covering the A-frame as well. Install your straps and install a final strap at the coupler when covering the A-frame. Thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you have not already. You can find these products at our web store, Links are below. I will see you at the campground.